all, and welcome to my another vlog. First of all, massive thanks for all your likes and comments on my previous vlog, how to become a pilot in the UK, as well as the Q&A. Much appreciated. Today plan is to fly from North Weald, just heading to the aircraft now, and then we will fly to London Elstree. The weather is a bit cloudy. I'm hoping for clouds to lift off in next 30 minutes, and finger crossed we should be able to do a VFR flight. Stay tuned and hope you'll enjoy it. Golf Romeo Sierra, holding Bravo A Alpha 2, ready for departure.
Sir, 200 degrees, lining up.
Lining up, Golf Romeo Sierra.
The wall 10, runway vacated. 10, roger.
Golf Romeo Sierra, ready for takeoff.
Zero.
Taking off, Golf Romeo Sierra. Wow, bit bumpy, windy today.
And over your name, I think. Roger.
First heading 230. Oh, one. Leveling off, altitude, power and trim. Golf Romeo Sierra, request a frequency change to Farnborough radar at 132.8.
Romeo Sierra, goodbye.
Farnborough radar, Golf Lima Victor Romeo Sierra, request a basic service.
Sorry, that Golf Lima, Romeo Sierra, calling from radar. Station calling from radar, second for registration.
Golf Lima Victor Romeo Sierra, request a basic service.
Golf Lima, Victor Romeo Sierra, from radar, Parkibus.
Golf Lima Victor Romeo Sierra, PA28 1 POB, North Weald to Elstree VFR, currently a beam canal band, request a basic service, current QNH 1023.
Sierra London QNH, correct, squawk 5023, basic service.
Squawk 5023, QNH 1, correct, Golf Romeo Sierra.
Golf Romeo Sierra, what is your level?
Maintaining 1800 feet.
Yeah.
Golf Yankee Hotel, we're going to track towards Mayfield from here.
Golf Yankee Hotel, roger.
Golf Romeo Sierra, request a frequency change to Elstree information at 122.405.
So from Sierra, Scope comes security, frequency change is approved. Bye-bye.
Scope 7000 changing frequency, Golf Romeo Sierra. Elstree information, Golf Lima Victor Romeo Sierra inbound Abeam Porter Spa request joining instructions.
Golf Kilo India Elstree Radio, good afternoon. 26 left hand, QFE 1012. Currently there's one in the circuit.
26 left, 1012. I'm on position for a 4-mile final. Golf Kilo India.
Golf Lima Victor Romeo Sierra Elstree Radio, good afternoon. 26 left hand, QFE 1012.
26 left hand QFE 1012, can we join long final if possible?
Golf Romeo Sierra, there's one in the circuit, one other joining on a 4-mile final. It's your discretion.
We'll report long final and look out for a traffic, Golf Romeo Sierra.
Golf Kilo India.
Golf Romeo Sierra, toll building 26 to land.
Alpha Papa, short final.
Golf Alpha Papa 170 degrees, 7 knots.
Alpha Papa.
Golf Romeo Sierra, roger.
Too hard.
Alpha Papa going around.
Golf Romeo Sierra, final 26 to land.
Romeo Sierra, wind 220 degrees, 8 knots.
Continue approach, Golf Romeo Sierra.